So next we will move to file option from here, and then import option. Over there it will show you the upload option. From here you can upload your file. Now here it is showing that it is in use as because it is open, so we have to close it, and then whenever you will click on it, it will be uploaded. So now import data. So imported successfully, it is showing. Now if I open it, so it will open here. Now over here, as we have already installed the number text option, so over here I will write number okay, 1 minute. So basically here you have option, you can replace the spreadsheets also. So now here we write equals to number text. Now this number text will come, and over here you have to give the cell reference number. So this cell reference number I have given, and I am pressing enter. So you see it is coming like this. Okay, so your number has been automatically transferred to text. Now you can just drag it, so all this will be converted to text. Okay, now there is one option that is because you have to again go back to your original Excel sheet, Excel file. That is over here you have created it as book 1. It was, the name was book 1. So for that, what you have to do, you have to first of all control A. I will select this and select control C, and then I will select control V. So whenever I will select control C and control V, so it will be done like this, because actually what you have to do over here, you have to convert this texts to the values only actually. So now what you will do, now you can